I will show you what is possible with VSCode run to edit Apache Camel files. So first you will need to add a little extensions to benefit from some sugar. So you can just search for Apache Camel and install it. Click on reload. And here we go. So you can see I will start with the XML DSL. You can see that we have a nice outline showing the context and the route. And you can navigate, of course. With that, there is all navigation, also the breadcrumb now that is available that you can use to navigate also in the file. And there is also the search for symbol with Ctrl-Shift-O in case you are more in typing stuff. So you can also navigate with that and search for it. So this is the first thing to run the navigation with XML DSL. When developing, it is also very useful to have information on the Camel components because there are a lot. So if you have your file, you have over on the component, so you have access to the Camel documentation, and it is also available on the attributes of the Camel component to know what you need to provide. And what is nice is also when you start typing, you want to provide to fill a new endpoint, and you hit your control space and you have access to all the Camel components and search for it, and you have also access to the documentation. It is also the case for the parameters of the Camel component. And so you can see you also have the type and some documentation. So this is really easy to type your Camel URI. What is interesting also is in case you are providing bad parameters, for instance, bad values for parameters, when you are saving your file, there is the Camel validation which is launched and which is saying, okay, you have an invalid value somewhere. Another thing that is useful is that when you are using direct and direct VM component, it can be very useful to know, okay, who is calling me. And so in this case, for instance, if I go here, I can right click on it and find all references, and it will show me in the same file what is calling me. So what can trigger this route, and we can jump to it. So all of that was for the XML DSL. There are also a few things for the Java editor. There is the valid. I will show you. So we also have the compilation and the validation and the over, and that's all for now for Java DSL in this version. I hope you enjoyed this quick tour of available feature with the 0.0.11 version of Camel support in VS Code, and have a great time playing with it.